Another word problem. Anya has $25,000 that she wants to invest. She invested in accounts paying 12%, which I'm going to call H for high, 7%, which I'm going to call M for medium, and 6%, which I'm going to call L for low. Simple interest. The account paying 12% is a higher risk account, so she wants the amount in that account to be half of the amount she has in the account paying 6% interest. So that tells me that 2H equals L. If her annual interest is $1,945, so I can make an equation off of that. If I do 0.12 times the amount of money in my high account times plus 0.07 times the amount of money in my medium account plus 0.06 times the amount of money in my lower account, that should equal the amount of interest that she gets total, which is $1,945. How much is she investing at each rate? So then that also tells me that H plus M plus L, all of her money all together, should equal $25,000. So I have three equations and I have three variables. One thing that I could do is I could do substitution. I already see that L is 2H, so I can substitute that into each of my other equations for L. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So I'm going to get 0.12H plus 0.07M plus 0.06 times 2H equals 1945. Multiply here, 0.12H plus 0.07M plus 0.12H equals 1945. So combining like terms, 0.24H plus 0.07M equals 1945. And then for my other equation, H plus M, instead of the L, I'm going to do my 2H equals 25,000. So 3H plus M equals 25,000. Okay, so from here I have two equations and I have two variables. It would be easiest to solve here for M. And then I can substitute this back in here for M, so 0.24H plus 0.07 times 25,000 minus 3H equals 1945. Distribute that 0.07, so 0.24H plus 1750. And then 0.07 times 3 is 0.21, so this actually should be a minus. 0.21H equals 1945. So combining like terms and subtracting the 1750 on each side, I end up getting 0.03H equals 195. So if I divide by the 0.03 on each side, H is 6,500. Okay, so I need a back substitute. So I can take that H is 6,500 back into here. So 25,000 minus 3 times 6,500. Typing that into my calculator, I get that 25,000 minus 3 times 6,500, which is 19,500. It's 5,500. Okay, so if I know H, I know M. I need to come back up here and figure out L. And so 2H equals L. And as we said below, H is 6,500. So 2 times 6,500 is $13,000 in our lower account. So we just want to make our solution clear. So in our 12% high account, we have $6,500. In our medium account, we have $5,500. And in our low interest account, we have $13,000. Just to verify that this is all going to add up, we're going to add our $13,000 to $6,500 and $5,500. That adds up to $25,000. So we are pretty confident in that solution.